Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to gift someone on Amazon through their wish list. This is a fantastic way to ensure you're giving someone exactly what they want, and Amazon makes the entire process incredibly smooth and convenient. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, and from the drop-down that appears, select Wishlist. This is where you'll access all the wish list features Amazon offers. Now, here's something important to understand. There are two ways to gift someone through their wish list. The first is through email, and the second is through your friends if you've sent or received an invitation. Let's explore both options so you can choose whichever works best for your situation. If you want to use the Friends option, simply click your Friends in the top menu. This will show you a list of people who've shared their wish lists with you directly through Amazon's invitation system. It's a quick and organized way to browse wish lists from people you know. Alternatively, if someone has invited you to view their wish list through email, go to your email inbox and look for the message they sent you. Inside that email, you'll find a link to their wish list. Click that link and it will open up their wish list directly in your browser, showing you all the items they've added. Once you're viewing their wish list, navigate to the product or item you want to gift and click Add to Cart. This adds the item to your shopping cart, just like any regular purchase. Next, in the upper right corner of the page, click Cart to review what you've added. If you happen to have multiple items in your cart and you only want to gift one of them, simply uncheck the boxes next to the items you don't want to purchase right now. This keeps your cart organized and ensures you're only proceeding with the gift. Now, right beside the item you want to give, you'll see a checkbox that says "This is a gift." Click that box and then click Proceed to Checkout in the right panel. This step is crucial because it marks the item as a gift and allows you to add special gift options. You'll be prompted to select the delivery address. You can either choose an existing address from your account or enter a new one if you're sending the gift directly to the recipient. This flexibility makes it easy to surprise someone without needing to ask for their address directly. Optionally, you can customize your gift message in the designated field. This is a nice touch if you want to add a personal note that will be included with the package. If you'd like, you can also check the box beside email the recipient a copy of their gift receipt after the gift is delivered, then enter the recipient's email address. This keeps things transparent and allows them to know the gift came from you. Once you've set everything up, click Save Gift Options to confirm your choices. Next, select your payment method from the options available, and finally click Place Your Order to complete the purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully gifted someone an item from their Amazon wishlist, making sure they receive something they truly want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.